So let's describe certain terms associated with this topic. As you have clearly understood the difference between phyllosphere and rhizosphere. So phyllosphere is the area which surrounds the leaf region, and rhizosphere is the area which surrounds the root region. And epiphytes are those organisms which grows on the surface of photosynthetic plant for their physical support. So these are certain terms: phyllosphere, rhizosphere, and phylloplane, rhizoplane, and epiphytic organisms. Okay, so next is that you should know the name of those microbes which are present in the phylospheric region. So if I categorize them into bacteria, the bacteria which are available over there in that region are mainly Pseudomonas and Bergeringia. In fungi category, they are Aspergillus and Alternaria, while in yeast it is Candida and Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces is quite famous. So the region which I am representing over here in the blue color is simply saying that phylloplane consists of several types of symbionts, pathogens, saprotrophs, etc. Okay. Now, phylospheric region can be further subdivided into several parts. Okay. So the leaf, which is termed as phylloplane, and the zone of all leaves is inhabited by microorganisms, is called phyllosphere. So what is phyllosphere? It is the leaf surface region which is inhabited by microbes, right? Now it is referring the above ground portion. This already I have discussed, so I am not going to discuss again and again. And then who has discovered this? It was discovered by Reunin from her observation on forest vegetation, where it was a very thick microbial epiphytic association exists on leaves. Okay. So yes, some important thing: establishment of flora on the leaf surface is aided by cuticle, and it also helps in providing the anchorage to the microorganisms, because microorganism needs the anchoring, onto the leaf surface. So who is providing the that anchorage to the microbes? It is the waxes and appendages present in that leaf cuticle region. Okay, so yes, nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae. So these are certain more important microorganisms which are present over there in the phyllosphere. Nitrogen fixing bacteria, you have already discussed about it in previous classes, like Azotobacter, Rhizobium, etc. Then you have known well about Azotobacter. In lab you have isolated it on Ashby's medium, and Rhizobium, it will be discussed in the next experimental part of your lab class. Pseudomonas is one such, then Pseudobacterium, then Phytomonas. So these are the nitrogen fixing microbes, right? Advenia and Sarcina. You have to remember them, right? These are the nitrogen fixing bacteria, and there are certain nitrogen fixing blue-green algae also, which is cyanobacteria. These are Anabena, Calatrix, Nastark, Cyclonema, and Stolifrox, right? So you have to remember these names. Don't make the spelling mistakes. So I'll discuss some more in the next slide. Okay, thank you.